This hidden gem belongs on everyone's bucket list. Lisbon, Portugal. You step into a city where stunning scenery embraces inclusivity. Picture cobblestone streets weaving through colorful, tile-covered buildings. Start with the vibrant food scene. Savor fresh seafood at Time Out Market, or enjoy a warm pastel de nata paired with local specialty ginja, a cherry liqueur. Feel history come alive as you explore the majestic Belém Tower or ride the iconic Tram 28 through the city hills. For serenity, nothing beats the panoramic views from Miraduro de Santa Catarina at sunset. Bonus: Lisbon is celebrated for its warm embrace of Black and LGBTQ+ travelers, making it one of the safest, most welcoming spots in Europe to explore your wanderlust. Every corner of this city is a postcard come to life. So, where will our travels take us next? Drop your dream destination below and subscribe to join the adventure. Let's make memories together.